Question number 6. Solve the equation absolute value of 2x square plus x minus 10 is equal to 5. So we can write this equation as 2x square plus x minus 10 equals to plus minus 5. So we have two equations. For example, 2x square plus x minus 10 equals to plus 5, and on the other side we will have 2x square plus x minus 10 equals to negative 5. Now first we solve this quadratic equation. 2x square plus x, when we switch 5 on the left side, it will be negative 15 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation and can be solved by factorization. For example, negative 15 times 2 is equals to negative 30. Negative 5 times 6 is also equals to 30. Negative 30, sorry. And when we add negative 5 plus 6, negative 5 plus 6 equals to 1. Quadratic equations. 2x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 15 equal to 0. When we take 2x common, so it will be x plus 3. When we take negative 5 common, then it will be x plus 3 equal to 0. So we have two factors which are 2x minus 5 times x plus 3 equal to 0. Equating each factor with 0, so 2x minus 5 equal to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0. So in this case, x is equal to 5 over 2, and in this case, x is equal to negative 3. Now, we need to solve this quadratic equation also. So we will have 2x square plus x, negative 10 plus 5, which is negative 5 equal to 0. And this quadratic equation cannot be solved by factorization, so we will use the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative p plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. And in this case, this one is a, this one is b, which is 1, and c is negative 5. Plugging these values, we will have negative b means negative 1 plus minus under root b square means 1 square minus 4 times a means 2 times c means negative 5 over 2 times a means 2 times 2. So we will have negative 1 plus minus under root 1. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times 5 is negative 40, positive 40. So this one is 40 over 4. Further solving, we will have negative 1 plus minus under root 41 over 4. So this is the x. So we have find the solution of the given absolute value equation. So x is equals to negative 3. Then we have 5 over 2. Then we have two values, which is negative 1 plus under root 41 over 4. And other one is negative 1 minus 4 under root 41 over 4. So these are the four values